Hey everyone, this is Lala Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm creating a Pluck called Tap Ghost, and it sounds like this if you want to listen to it in solo and the MIDI. Now in context, and maybe add a sidechain to it. Just so it bounces along with the song. Really nice for backgrounds, and if you like it, you can get it over here in the description below in the Serum 2 Afro House presets that you can find at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with the sound design, and let's get started with this tutorial. Let's just drop this here and deactivate just so we can listen to it. That's the raw sound, and it sounds completely weird. But now we're going to go here and select a few things. We're going to go and first select a spectral squelchy 3. We're going to put this wavetable position almost pretty much everything up. And that's about it. We're also going to just go here, octave down. And that's about it. Now we're going to go Oscillator B. We're going to also select here a Serum 2 table digital, and this is going to be a whirly wavetable, but octaves 2 down, wavetable position a bit up, just changing a little bit of the sound and also a bit of level down. That's about it. Third, we're going to go here and select a digital warm dull -1, wavetable position a bit up, around this, and level a bit down, somewhere like this as well. To finish everything, we're gonna go here and select a white noise and level a bit up. That's about it in the oscillator section. Now we're gonna go here into envelopes because this is going to modulate the sound that we're working. So let's get started here with the sustain. To make it a pluck, normally you have to put the sustain down because it has to pluck down. And now it's also nice when you have a bit of sustain and release, so the song doesn't end. Something like this. But we can do a couple of things. We can pick here and put it a bit down, and pick here and put it a bit down as well. If we made it up, this makes it a little bit more plucky. Now decay a bit down, so you can see how it makes this sound. So you can see how this makes the sound shorter. Maybe this can go a bit up. This can also go a bit up. Maybe in the middle of this and in the middle of this number. Something like this feels nice. Now filter. We're gonna select A, B, C, and noise. We're gonna put this here a bit up. Somewhere like this. Resonance as it is, and a bit of drive. This is going to give a bit of saturation post-filter. No fat. Now, effects section. Effects section, we're going to start with an equalizer. We're going to choose a low cut. As it is in the frequencies, just a little bit lower over here so we don't have that spike up. Somewhere like this. We're also going to activate this, just putting it a bit up. And you can see how this gives a spark up to the sound. Now we're going to go here and select a delay. But the delay is always in the center if you use normal. If you use ping pong, it goes to the sides. A bit less feedback so it doesn't stay for too long. 1/4 as it is. Frequency is going to remain as it is, but the Q is going to go a bit down. So we filter a bit of the low end frequencies and the high end as well. And a little bit less wet. Now reverb. All reverb. We're going to low cut this a little bit. We're just low cutting the reverb itself. Size a bit up. Pre-delay also a bit up. So it's going to take 7 milliseconds for the reverb to actually start playing. And the decay is going to go really short. Something like this. Just a tad. Now we also have to select here a distortion, and we have to select a downsample. Just a tad. But we're gonna keep it as it is, without. Can you see how it adds a little bit of sizzling in the high end? And to finish everything, a bit of phasing. We're going to increase the pulse. And you can see how this makes it a bit more wobbly. Now, BPM, and we're going to choose this to 1/2. It's good that we have this effect all the way up so you can actually hear everything. Can you see how increasing the depth doesn't make this as big as how it was before? Now the depth number 2, we're also going to increase it. Just giving an extra step of depth in the sound. Now frequency all the way down. So this is affecting pretty much all the frequency range, and that's why you hear this kind of wobbly sound back again. A bit more feedback. And a bit less phase. And you can see when we change the phase, we change the positioning in the stereo as well. Now, just a little bit of this. And it's good to hear the effects, so this way you can see the changes and you can apply it to other projects as well. But that's about it. If you want to listen to this in context now, with sidechain. Now, if you want to check the original preset, there's one really cool thing, which are the macros over here that you can tweak a lot of them. So you can get it over here in the description below, and this comes with all these macros, which are amazing for modulation. And that's it. If you like the preset, get it over here in the description below. This is Lil already from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.